So today I wanted to talk about hats. I did make a shipping video that went into detail about all the other types of things you could ship for eBay and Poshmark and Mercari, but I forgot to mention hats, so I figured I'd do like a little demo description here. So I'm shipping out a hat today, and I figured this is a good time to do that, and I just wanted to show you your options. If you're selling on Poshmark, you can just use a priority box. This is the one I have, but you may find smaller ones. These are usually free, so you don't have to pay up front for these. And for anything I sell on eBay as far as hats go, I have to use a regular cardboard box. This one is 11 by 9 by 4, so it's nice and small, but it protects the hat. I recommend not using bags because these things get crushed really easy. And I also have my little tag here to know who's getting this hat. We have a little inventory system. We use numbers. So I would just tape up the top. Notice I do have this in a baggie here. This is in case the box gets wet and we want to keep it protected. Nothing else really needed for hats, just a little protection and a small box. I'll have the link for this box on Amazon for you if you want that. Alright, so here's the finished product. I've taped the top and bottom of this box. I still have my ID here because I have to have my shipping label, but if I did have my shipping label, I'd probably stick it like right here. And I use these sticky labels, which make it really easy to put these on. I have links in my description. And if you're interested in hats, I forgot to mention, I do have 2 hat videos that talk about which hats actually sell on eBay for actually half decent money, not $10, but more than that. So if you're interested, check out my other videos on hats. Thank you for watching. Hope this helped.